The fact of the matter is this. You and I spend a lot of time in the car. It's what entrepreneurs do. We're out looking at property. We're out looking at comps. We've got a lot of meetings. We're on the move, right? And so because of that reality, I have learned disciplines that I apply when I'm in the car. Things that every time that car door shuts, I'm at the ready. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple tips, and I'd like these tips to incorporate into a challenge this month, what we would call a video challenge for this month, okay? Number one thing, be prepared, okay? I've got a notebook here with I don't know how many tabs in it. Each tab represents a certain section or a project going on in my life, and every phone number I could ever possibly want for anything I've got going on is right here at the ready, okay? That's absolute. Number two, phone is in and charging, right? No excuse for your phone not working, battery running out. No, it's hardwired in, it's charging. Headset working, right? Another headset on the charger. I charge these things several times a day because I'm always on the phone while I'm driving. Now, if ever I'm in an area where I don't have reception and I can't be on the phone, I can't ask questions of proposition, now I've got some time to think, and what am I going to spend that time doing? Vegging out, listening to the radio? No, I'm going to spend that time memorizing something that's inspiring, that's meaningful. Cover up your stupid radio with something inspiring and meaningful so you can read it, memorize it. Not just a bumper sticker size thing, but something significant, something that you can personalize and incorporate into your life. You've got your day planner right here. Now, I don't use a PDF day planner because there's no way I can write things down or type things in while I'm driving. But I can write in this book and look at my schedule while I'm driving. That's why I have a paper schedule, not a PDF, right? So these are just a few things that I hope will help you be more efficient, because the fact of the matter, you and I, we spend hours a day driving. Let's make it time well spent.